Hey guys, fried rice. Let's make fried rice today. So the first thing I did was to season my chicken. Firstly, I use bay leaf, mangi, ginger, and garlic. Then I allow it to cook for about 30 minutes. Then I take it out. This fried rice is like my special simple fried rice recipe. Then I go in with my washed rice and I added water. Then I added my remaining seasoning. I allowed it to cook for about 20 minutes. Then it's time for me to dice my veggies. For the veggies, I use onions. Then I use red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Now my rice is ready. So the next thing is for me to fry my chicken. For the frying of chicken, you can either grill it or you can use your air fryer. But for this my special simple fried rice recipe, I decided to fry it with oil so I can use the remaining oil to make my fried rice. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel, please share my video with your friends, like, drop a comment please. Okay, the first thing I did was to fry my veggies. After frying my veggies, I added salt and mangi, which is seasoning. Then I allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. Then I go in with my rice. Again guys, let me know what recipe you want me to make, and guys please watch my other videos. I have a jollof rice recipe I uploaded last week. Also I have my shawarma recipe. Guys, I make the best shawarma, no cap. Guys, please watch my shawarma video, please watch my jollof rice video, and please comment under my post. It will really go a long way. Please like, please share my video, please save my video. It will really go a long way for my channel. Guys, you know it is a new channel, I'm just starting. Guys, please support me. Thank you. Bye.